Ray!
Don't talk to me.
Hey, Ray,
Please stop speaking.
Hey, Ray, do you know
That joke is not funny.
What, are you offended? What, do you just not get it or something? Because trust me, it is really freaking funny. It is the funniest thing I've ever seen.
It's an overused format.
Maybe you're an overused format!
Just take the L, Asuka.
Like I'd ever take advice from some cringecore virgin doomer who can't even speak without sounding like an ASMR Twitch baiter. Shut up! Of course you have blue hair and pronouns.
Asuka, if you continue this, I will have no choice but to report you to Commander Joseph.
What? Who's Commander Joe?
Tell Mama hung herself.